Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. Tequila Tuesday. Maybe? We'll see. No. All right. Last night I prepared mushroom spinach soup with Middle Eastern spices. Wow. Super simple to make. Simple ingredients. But you put them together, it's a very good soup. And I quote, Robin, this is repeatable. Thumbs up. I have two. You can't just see the other one. So the mushroom spinach soup with Middle Eastern spices is a must try. I will get it posted up this morning. Today I'm doing sesame chicken. This is probably the second or third different version in the last year that I have done of a sesame chicken. This one has a little more of a breaded chicken. Let's get to it. Got the hardware, got the wok out. Yes, the wok. Dutch oven for the noodles, big colander for the noodles. We've got chicken. I'm adding a red bell pepper and some red onion. We've got some oil for the wok. There's lots of cornstarch in this. Kosher salt, black pepper, Heinz tomato ketchup, the Shiraka ketchup. Now we're adding a sesame oil, some light, low sodium soy sauce, some honey, rice vinegar. I'm going to be adding a little garlic chili sauce, some sesame seeds for garnish. It is sesame chicken. Some green onion, some all-purpose flour for the breading, garlic, a couple eggs, some brown sugar, and some Thai rice noodles linguine style. So similar sauce to what I did something last week, but this one's different. This one's a little different. It doesn't have any ginger in it. It doesn't have, so similar base. I'll admit that. Similar base. But this one's different. Yeah. So, looking forward to this meal. As you know, I love doing stir fries. I get to play mixologist. You can see I got a lot of ingredients to play with. It's going to be a lot of fun. The book is coming along. I didn't do a lot yesterday, to be quite honest. I didn't get really any sleep the night before. So, I'm going to be working on the cookbook today again. Stay tuned. So on this Tequila Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.